Do you know that why the most of the content creators didn't succeed on social media? If you don't know, I will tell that these creators are not planning their content properly. Planning is the essential thing for success. So that only in digital marketing there is a content creation plan. Every digital marketer knows this content creator plan because content is very important to attract more people to their business. So they plan everything about the content before starting to create a content. Content creation plan is the best strategy to create attractive contents to the target audience of the business. So in today's video, I am going to tell what are all things that the content creation plan includes. So grab your coffee and take a note of it. Before that, if you want to learn more about digital marketing, then I recommend you to check out the playlist in the above cards. To develop a content creation plan, the first thing you have to create is title of the content. Most of the digital marketers create title first and then only creates the content. But most of the content creators, including me, create content first and then we create the title. This is the wrong way to do. I am changed now. When are you guys going to change? So first create title for your content and then start creating your content. If you do that, you will see difference in your social media analytics. The second thing the digital marketers do is content format. They think what is the best format of this content that gives more results. They know that some type of content give more results when they are created as reels or YouTube shorts. Some type of content are best in long form videos and some type of contents do best in the form of article or infographic. Digital marketers choose wisely about their content format for their every contents that they created. The third thing they do is setting a goal. Every digital marketer set a specific goals for every contents. The goals are set before the content are produced. For example, they create some contents specifically to attract new people to their business, or they create some valuable contents to engage with their followers, etc. So you need to set goal for every content you create. Most of the content creators don't do this. Some of them are blindly create contents and publish it to social media or website. So don't do that. Set a goal to your all contents that you create. The fourth step they do is picking up the right promotional channel. Promotional channel means social media, website or any search engines, etc. Digital marketers clearly choose the right social media that suits their client's business. For example, if a client's business is clothing, then they promote their products on Pinterest. Likewise, they choose right social media or search engines that promotes their contents or business. This plays an important role because this step only do attracts more people and change into customers. All digital marketers like simplicity, so they don't choose more social media for their business because it creates confusion and takes lot of time to establish their brand into so many social media platforms. They select 2 to 3 social media platforms wisely and try to succeed in that. The last but not least is they question themselves that why am I creating this content? Have you ever thought of why you are making the contents? I bet you that you didn't think of it. In digital marketing, the most powerful words that makes clarify is why. If you think that why am I making this content, it clarifies your brain and it also helps to focus on your specific goal. If you ask your brain why, then your brain give so many answers to you. So this practice is essential for you because when you ask why before creating your content, you will know automatically that what is the purpose of this content and how this content helps the people, or is this content give solution to the audience pain point, etc. It also helps to focus about your specific goal that you choose in the above step. Don't forget, you have to follow this content creation plan before you are going to start creating a contents. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to TechD to learn more about digital marketing. See you soon. Take care.